Hi, I'm Ginny from Needlepoint.com. When I first started stitching, I was intimidated by beading. But truth be told, it's one of the easiest ways to add some glitz and glamour to your stitching. The variety of beads is just incredible. You can add as many or as few to your canvas as you'd like. Here are the supplies that you'll need to try beading. Beading thread, beading needles, beads. Size 11 work best for 13 count canvas and size 14 or 15 work best for 18. And a canvas with a design that you love. Once you've anchored your thread to your canvas, begin by coming up in the spot that you'd like to place your bead. Simply slide a bead onto your needle and go back down on the diagonal in the same way that you do a tent stitch. From here, you can either add more beads or end your thread by running your needle through the back of your canvas in the same way that you'd end any other thread. I like adding beads to my canvas to represent snowflakes falling from the sky or stars in the night. For more tips and tricks like these, visit our website, Needlepoint.com.